Thanks for tuning into this week's technology tips and tricks. Today we will cover an online video screen recording program that students can use called Screencastify Submit. Screencastify Submit allows teachers to push out an assignment in Google Classroom to students so that when students click on the link to the teacher's assignment, students are able to create their own videos and submit them back to the teacher in Google Classroom. Yes, you heard that correctly. Screencastify Submit integrates with Google Classroom. Let me demonstrate how this can be done. First, begin by clicking on the Screencastify extension. Click on the hamburger menu in the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Submit. Click on New Topic, and then click on the Google Classroom button so that Screencastify connects directly to your Google Classroom. Then click the Next button. Now choose which type of recording option you would like your students to use for their project submission. The options are A. Record the screen only, B. Record with a webcam only, or C. Use screen and web recording. And then click Next. You will now be asked to give your assignment a title and a description. Whatever you choose to title your project will be how it appears as an assignment in Google Classroom. Now click Next. From the first drop-down arrow, choose the name of your class. Next, choose whether or not this assignment will be sent out to all students or just some specific students. You can then choose a point value for this project, as well as a due date. You'll also want to create a topic. Next, you can choose to assign this project immediately, or if you hit the drop-down arrow beside the word assign, you can schedule it for a future date. You will now be given the option to view the assignment on your Google Classroom. Click on View on Classroom. Now click on the Classwork tab in Google Classroom, and then click on the Screencastify link. Now click the Record button and choose the screen you want to record. I would recommend that you choose Entire Screen, and then wait for the countdown. Please wait for the countdown before speaking. Once you are done recording, click Stop Recording. If you know that you've made an error, you can click Start Over to re-record. You can also click the play button to hear your recording. Once you are confident with your recording, you can click the Submit button. Once students hit the Submit button, the project will show up as a submitted assignment in the teacher's Google Classroom for review, feedback, and grading. Note, teachers can provide their own private feedback to students using a Screencastify video rather than typing a comment to students by placing the link to their own Screencastify video in the comment section of the student's video. Then students will be able to view video feedback from the teacher rather than just a typed comment. So it's as easy as that for students to create their own custom videos to submit to their teachers. And teachers have the luxury of having all the student submissions saved in one area in their Google Classroom. So if you're looking for a tool to capture students' reading fluency, public speaking skills, or content knowledge of a subject, then Screencastify Submit may be the tool for you. Please reach out to me if you would like me to co-teach a lesson with you and your students on Screencastify Submit. Lastly, please tune in next week for more technology tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.